Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I decided to do a quick video about Hankotrade. I'm going to do a Hankotrade update and I'm going to talk about the new Hankotrade platform, which is called ActTrader, and most importantly I'm going to talk about what really finally actually worked to help me to log in on Hankotrade. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's just dive right in. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I I'll often do live trades here on this channel, and I've been doing them on Hankotrade. I've been doing this for some years. I had an account here for some years, and I haven't had any problems with this broker. They're not perfect. None of the brokers on MT4 are, but for the stuff that's important to me, tight spreads, uh, somewhat decent execution, fast execution. In some instances, I've seen, especially lately, a little lagging with me being able to close trades. But more than anything, I really like this broker. Okay, so for that reason, I'm at least going to keep one small account open here on Hankotrade. But I want to talk about what's happening on Hankotrade. If you'll look on their site here, under trading platforms, you only see ActTrader now because Hankotrade has lost their license to use MT4. Now, this is what I believe. My research and my personal belief is that they lost the license to MT4 because MetaQuotes is pulling license on both prop firms, and not only the prop firms, they're pulling licenses on anyone that's using MetaQuotes MT4 MT5, and they are not licensed as a broker in the U.S. but are allowing U.S. customers via crypto funding. So that's my personal belief. That's what I've seen happen. I've seen it happen with some of the prop firms, and I've seen it happen with some other things on MT4. If you are working with a broker that's still allowing MT4, um, uh, it's possible. I have some other accounts that are, but I think that's what's happening here. What Hanko says is that the execution has been rather poor, and they're moving to this new ActTrader. Okay, now I spent a lot of time in line in a queue on Hankotrade. Obviously, this just happened on December the 8th. I noticed it because our robot that we used, the AUT bot, was not getting any signals and was giving us errors that we weren't able to connect and get the data starting on, I think, about December the 8th. And a few people wrote me. I'll talk about what this means for the bot in later videos, but for right now, as far as on Hankotrade, there is no support for MT4. So in order to get into your account, if you have trades open, they are moving, and they have moved most of the accounts over to the new ActTrader. And what worked for me was to download the new Hankotrade version of ActTrader. Your account will be there. Your login, my login did not work for me. So what I had to do is, and let me be very clear about this, somebody explained it to me on support, but they didn't explain it as clear as it needs to be, in my opinion. Okay, you need to use the number of your account that you have with Hankotrade. That's what you log in with, the number. If you don't know your account number, just open up your MT4. You won't be able to log in with it, but in the top on the right hand side, you will see the number that's there for your MT4 account. Now, along with that number, you need a password, which is, you're going to have to inside of the new Act Trader software, when it asks you to log in, use forgot my password, and they will email you at your email address on file. They'll email you a password. Put that password into the place where it says password on the software, and you should be able to log in to the new Hanko version of Act Trader. Now, um, this is the actual site. It's acttrader.com. I'll try and put a link to some of this stuff in the description where you can go and see tutorials about this. This is all new to me. I barely know how to do a trade over here, and it's very frustrating. And so I feel you on that. You know, I keep it a buck on why I think this happened and what I think is happening. Um, I think I got this up. This is what their new platform, the Hankotrade platform, is going to look like now with Act Trader. And you know, it's got some features that weren't there in MT4. From my first glances, it's all so new to me. I'm not very fond of it, but that's probably because it's a new platform. If anybody's interested, I'll try and keep a little small account over here, and continue to do trades over here on Hanko, and explore and try and do a little quick tutorial video talking about how to get around this thing. Uh, if you have some trades open, those trades will most likely be there once you can log in. If you want to close those trades, you may not be able to do it now because obviously it's the weekend as I'm recording this. But if you're in a loss or whatever, gap up, gap down against you, you probably want to close those trades and get into your account and close those carry trades as soon as you can. What else? Some guys have asked about alternatives. I've got a few places I like to trade. You guys know, I trade on Nadex. I've traded there. Um, I've traded on uh, some other another broker. I'll leave a link in the description. They're still using MT4 for now, and I'm still going to try and trade on Hankotrade because the reasons that I came to Hankotrade are still the reasons that I stay trading on Hankotrade, and that's the tight spreads and decent execution and no problem with my withdrawals in all of the history. Some may take a little longer than others, but in all of my history here with this broker, I haven't had any problem with the withdrawals. That's all I had, guys. Just wanted to do a quick Hankotrade update and get this information out there. If you have someone that's also using this broker, then please try and share this video with them. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.